Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to finish the Little Mermaid gift box. As you can see, the box is all done and I'm going to finish the box lid with you guys. So inside the box, I glue a blue cardstock. Outside the box, I use the papers that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is the paper and this is the perfect paper that I found to make this cute Little Mermaid gift box. As you can see, I added stickers on the waves, which gives this box a cool detail. And this is the embellishment that I got from Hobby Lobby. This part is green, so this one I used the blue one. And this part I used the green, and this other part I used the blue one, because I end up buying only one of this. And then I realized that I was supposed to get two to make the box, but it's okay. But it is just fine, one side being green and the other side being blue. And this box size is 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters and it is 8 centimeters tall. I made this box with the Red Barrel frozen pizza box, and then I added several layers of cereal boxes and cheeses, whatever other box that I have, to add layers inside the box. If you're interested in learning on how to make a box, or how to cover a box with a scrapbook paper, click the links down below. As you can see, the lid is already finished inside. So I glue a blue cardstock, and this paper is from the Disney paper pad. So I just cut the image and glue in here inside the box lid. So now let's get started. So here I have 4 pieces of the paper that I'm going to glue on the side of the box lid. So I have 2 there is long and 2 there is a little bit short. So I'm going to start with the long ones. I am going to apply tacky glue with a paintbrush. Now with a clean cloth, just do this. And I'm going to cut a little bit on the sides, and then I will cut right here and in here. It's very windy outside, and during the morning we got a little bit of snow. And I am sick today, so I hope I get better soon so I can make more videos without being sick. So now I'm gonna do the same thing in this other side. That's why you need 2 long pieces, because the long pieces you're going to fold it on the sides of the box lid. And now I'm going to fold this part inside the box lid, but I need to mark the side that I want. Here I'm going to mark 5 centimeters. And then I'm going to do the same thing with all these other sides. I have to mark 5 centimeters in each one and fold it and glue inside the box lid. So I'm just going to cut right here. And then I will check. Always check before you apply the glue. And I'll just fold it in. And there you go. Now I'm going to do this other side, which in this other side, I'm going to mark 4 centimeters. And there you go, this side is all done. Now I'm going to do the opposite side, and then I will do this side, and then I'll be back to finish this other one with you guys. Alright, so we're now going to finish this other side. And there you go. So now I'm going to cut these pieces there is left out. So just open it up and cut. And now open a little bit more and apply a little bit glue. And that's all. Same thing. Then cut right here close to the edge. Open again and apply glue. I'm going to mark 5 centimeters in here. And 4 centimeters in this other side. And then cut an angle on the corners. And then check it out. And there you go. Now I'm going to glue this image of the Little Mermaid right here from the Disney paper pad. I just need to make sure that I'm going to glue this one right on the top of the box, exactly on the same direction as this one. So it's going to be like that. So I'm going to apply the glue. Make sure the paper is all glued down. So check it out on the corner. So this one's fine. I have to add a little bit of glue in here. And a little bit in here. And there you go. Now I'm going to decorate the box lid, and I am going to use these colorful gemstones. I think it's going to go together with the box. I'm going to apply a little bit of art glitter glue. Now I have these little fishes in here. There it is left from this embellishments. I am going to take the fishes off and I'm gonna glue in here. There you go, I already glued the fishes in here, and now I'm going to apply stickles on the words, The Little Mermaid. And there you go, the Little Mermaid gift box is all done. I just need to let the stickles dry out, and I love it the way this box turned out. It's so cute. Be sure to comment down below what you're thinking about it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!